Drawing MIDI notes takes a bit of practice. Let's add a track, a virtual instrument, and we'll just use the Studio Grand. We'll go to MIDI Editor, which opens up the Editor section. Drag this up so you can see a little bit more. On the left-hand side, I have a piano, and I can play these notes to hear what they sound like. Then when I'm ready, I can double-click in this area to activate some MIDI notes. For example, I've now put a note on C4. It's automatically given me a bar of music to play with. Once I've got a note in, I can click and drag the end of it to make it longer or shorter. I can also click and drag up and down to change the pitch. When I'm ready, I can double click somewhere else to input another MIDI note, and I can keep going from there. I can input multiple MIDI notes in the one area, like this. This will create a chord. I can hear what I've input by going to the top, back to the start, and pressing play. To delete notes, just double click again and they will disappear. Another option is to use note insert mode, which means I don't have to double click to input notes. I can still click and drag to make notes longer or shorter. But when I click to drag it up or down, the note disappears. So if I want to change the pitch, I have to go back to the cursor.